police responded to a call at the wrong address.
You shot my dog?
The black one?
Gun?
The black dog's over here.
Okay.
Shot my dog with a gun?
Taser.
No, I shot it, bro.
You shot him?
I shot it.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. On a sunny afternoon in June of 2023, Waco Police received a 911 call about a burglary in progress.
911, do you need police, fire, EMS? Waco 911.
Somebody just kicked my door in.
What's your address?
I'm at 30 8th Street.
I'm not trying to leave.
I will be out of here. Please come down.
I'm coming. I got officers on the way, okay?
The caller gave an address on North 20th A Street, but Waco Police redacted that portion of the 911 call.
I'm at 30 8th Street.
Likely because they instead dispatched 2 officers to North 20th Street, 1 block over. From the time they received the 911 call, it took 17 minutes for police to arrive on scene. The homeowner at the incorrect address was napping with her back door open to allow her dogs to access the backyard as needed.
Hey, day code, back door is open. Back door is like cracked open. Is there a way to just walk around there?
No.
You can't?
You want to jump at a whole cover and you hold it and we'll leapfrog over?
Yeah, I don't know. Alright, go ahead.
Oh, stabby parts.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I'm just like pry it open.
Gotcha.
I can't see in there though. I'm going outside.
Gotcha.
Waco Police Department. Hey, back up.
Easy, puppy.
Back up.
Taser deployed, dog.
Hey, the dog's back here.
Easy, puppy. Easy, puppy.
Waco Police Department. Hey, back up.
Easy, puppy.
Back up.
Taser deployed, dog.
Hey, the dog's back here.
Easy, puppy. Easy, puppy.
The homeowner corrals a few of her dogs to the inside of her home, while just a block away, where the actual burglary was taking place, no one is responding to help.
Easy.
Yeah, I hit that. I'm sorry. We got a call that somebody's broken in.
It's my
Yeah, and the dog just came after me.
I'm gonna sleep. My dogs are fine. They're really nice.
Okay.
We'll
Call me and we'll get around.
Come on, guys. Inside, please. Come on. Okay, come on, please. Please. Please, come.
Go ahead.
The officer now tells the homeowner that they shot her dog, while neither officer insists on checking the property for a suspect, relating to the original reason that they responded.
We're 10-4 in the backyard for now. Taser deployed on it.
Yeah. Well, it was we got a call that somebody was breaking in, and it was just unknown. So that's why we were back here. The door's wide open, and it don't look good in our situation. That's why we're here. And the dog charged me, so I mean, I shot it. The black one. I don't know where.
You shot my dog?
The black one.
Gun?
Yeah, is it still over there?
The black dog's over here
Okay.
Shot my dog with the gun?
with a taser.
Huh?
Taser.
Who? No, I shot it, bro.
You shot him?
I shot it. Is it? Hey, can we?
Oh my God.
Supervisor coming?
Yeah.
All right. We got a supervisor coming, ma'am.
What?
I said we got a supervisor coming. I'm sorry, but
Hey, did you say you shot on the radio?
no. Hey, 2150s. We need a supervisor here. I shot a dog.
The department's production team fails to math good and communicates that less than 3 minutes later, a commander arrives. However, when comparing the times of when they asked for a supervisor to when they reported to the supervisor, 8 minutes had passed. And that's only if you consider the department's video without paying attention to moments earlier, when Officer 2 calls for a supervisor by reporting his taser deployment to dispatch. Under these circumstances, the supervisor didn't arrive until 10 minutes after Officer 2 had hailed dispatch, which was 30 minutes after the 911 call was made, despite the police station being just 5 blocks away.
We get here called out in the back door, and like 6 dogs ran out of us, and I shot one of them like in the
And
back.
from call notes, this is our original call, and then they correct it to 28.
Yeah, the dog. Well, as far as
come
I know, the dog's alive. It was
Start
in the
looking
house.
around.
So
I go one side, Mo
that's
goes
why we
the
were
other. He
calling
sees
for
open
y'all.
back door. We go to the back door, kind of pie around. He knocks in the
yeah,
house,
yeah.
open back
The
door.
owner's here. The owner's here. She brought the dog in the
5 or
house.
6 dogs charge out the back. I had just switched to taser when I heard the dog. I wind up popping one with a taser. He winds up popping one with the pistol he still had in his hand.
Okay. Yeah, I just got off the phone. She said you can take it to emergency clinic real quick.
The homeowner is a veterinarian technician and attempted to care for her dog, while the officers requested assistance from animal services. When the city denied the residents help, the officer assisted the owner with getting her dog into her own vehicle to self-transport the animal to an emergency vet, instead of driving the animal that they had just shot.
Okay. All right. Bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, they're not coming out. The owner got to take them. Yeah.
The following was added by the department.
Finn's owner subsequently takes him to an emergency animal clinic for treatment. The Waco Police Department learned through social media that he did not survive. On behalf of the Waco Police Department, we are sorry for the loss of Finn and are regretful our officers were mistakenly sent to the home. Our preliminary inquiries lead us to believe our computer automated dispatch or CAD system autocorrected the original address due to defined algorithms. There is an ongoing internal investigation into how the wrong address was sent to officers. We are working diligently with our CAD vendor to determine the root cause of the location discrepancy to ensure this does not happen again. Our call takers have been reminded to be extra cautious when entering addresses for any calls for service. The original call was addressed by other officers after realizing they were dispatched to the wrong house. No injuries were reported and no arrests were made from the original call.
Remember, the 911 call was received at 3:17, but officers didn't arrive until 3:34, even after the caller reported that someone had kicked in their door, and then hearing a male voice over the call before it disconnected. They still took nearly 20 minutes to respond. Remember that police rarely ever stop crimes from occurring. They often are only able to investigate what happened afterwards. Defending your life is your responsibility. But now, aside from the "sorry lady, autocorrect killed your dog" video, the owners have heard nothing more from the department, so they began a GoFundMe and hired a lawyer.
Police issued out a statement Monday night explaining what happened that day and expressed their regret. Contrary to what the police said, the couple says they're sure that their dog wasn't acting aggressive enough to be killed.
Our dogs will rush up to people
just to say hi
and sound the way a dog sounds when they're, ooh, who is this person?
They have hired lawyers and plan to sue the department for their negligence and the pain they left the family with.
I think it was pretty clear that they were in a dog's environment, and where the one officer made the right choice, the officer that took Finn's life did not.
Neither one of the officers have ever fired their taser or gun before this happened. Waco PD spokesperson Sierra Shipley told 6 News the officer who fatally shot the dog won't face any disciplinary action.
To hear no disciplinary action, that's just them saying, you deal with it. I didn't do anything wrong.
The officer felt he was in danger, and that's why he says he fired the gun. Law enforcement expert Charles Kimball hopes the public understands the difficult situation the officer was in at the time.
He saw a dog that he's never met before, and that dog was coming at him. That dog was coming at him, a dog that he never met before. He had to make some decisions. I just hope that people can keep an open mind, that police officers, our law enforcement, our peace officers are there to help people. But sometimes, man, things happen so quickly, things are out of their control, and unfortunate things happen.
Do I think, either officer did the right thing? Well, no, they shouldn't have been at my house at all. There's a lot that could have been different.
8 months later, the department had still refused to accept responsibility for the incident, so with the money they raised through the GoFundMe, they hired a lawyer, and in February of 2024, their lawsuit reached the federal courts, seeking $200,000. If there's ever an update to the story, I'll be sure to let you know, but before you go, remember these words from the Waco Police Chief.
The decision to recklessly use a weapon to settle a score or retaliate, or brandishing and discharging a weapon negligently, will result in legal consequences. Consequences that will change your life and the life of your family.